Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a base cream. So right here I've measured out my oil, my butters. This is my distilled water, rose water, and aloe vera gel. Then this is my emulsifiers, e-wax and cetyl alcohol. So I'll put the gas on so I can heat it up to 70 degrees centigrade. At 70 I will combine everything together. So what I'll do now, I'll just pour this oil here. I'll pour it here, and then I'll put my butter and melt them in a double boiler. So I'll put the gas on now. So okay, now I've melted it, so we're going to use our thermometer and check if it's up to 70 centigrade. We'll check it and check this one too. So it's up to 70, so we're going to combine the water phase and the oil phase. This consists of my butters, oil, emulsifier, e-wax and cetyl alcohol, and this is my rose water, distilled water and aloe vera gel. So I'll combine it now. Yes, so we have combined our water phase and our oil phase. So this is the base cream now. So we're going to combine we're going to add the cooling phase, which is our vitamin E oil, essential oil, which is frankincense essential oil, glycerin. All this we're going to add it in 5 grams because it's 500 grams of base cream we just made. So 5 grams of each of these. This is our preservative, German Plus. So I'm going to actually use this whisk to whisk the base cream. So I finished whisking it now. So we're going to measure out the cooling phase now. I put this one here and put it on. So we're going to put, this is what we're putting now is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, 5 grams. I'm trying to be careful so that I don't pour it. Yeah, so it's 5 grams now. I'll measure out the others too as well. So I've measured it out and it's 20. What is here is vitamin E oil, glycerin, preservative, and frankincense essential oil. 5 grams each, so it's 20 now. So this is our cooling phase. So we're going to just pour it into our base cream and mix with our mixer. And just briefly mix it. we're done mixing, so our base cream is ready. So this is a base cream. You can use it to make other creams like the stretch mark cream, your lotion. This is just a base for other creams you need to make. You can add your whitening powder and everything. This is just a bare cream, a base cream. So yes, this is how to make base cream. So if you liked this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.